Pinky-swear pa kayo? Pamano-mano pa kayo? Musuhin niyo lang pala ako. Ang pagtupad ng pangako ay ang pagsunod ng totoo. Ang pinitawang salita ay hindi dapat isawa ng bahala. Dapat ang katumbas nito. Alam, magtitiwala ko sa inyo. Ang danyaya ko. Paano ba ako magtitiwala sa inyo? Kung sa isang simpleng pangako ay hindi nyo kayang matupad.
Ano nangyari, Michael?
There was a wall and then it fell down and Yaya Dob and Alan Richard are both sad. And the grandma's angry at Yaya Dob
Bakit?
because she was so happy that she saw Alan Richard and then she put the wall and then she got angry. Then
Bakit nga binagyan ng wall?
so they wouldn't touch each other, see each other.
Eh, dapat magkita sila kasi love naman nila eh.
But Lola Dora, she doesn't. They don't want. So Lola Dora doesn't want her to see each other.
Michael,
Yeah,
ano sasabihin mo kay Lola Dora?
nothing. She's not real there. She's just on TV.
O, pag nakita mo si Lola Dora, ano sasabihin mo?
Let Alan Richard and Yaya Dub go, and then there's like I'll punch her in the face.
O, sige, kunyari ako si Lola Dora, ano sasabihin mo? Lola Dora.
Lola Dora, I'll punch her in the face if you don't let them go.
Bakit?
Gosh, she's mean. She's like a bad guy. She's like a bad girl, like a bad guy.